To succeed on YouTube can be very, very difficult. You can be posting your videos for months or maybe years and still not get what you're looking for. Some people can post one or two videos and go viral immediately. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing an honest advice to new YouTubers. So let's dive in. The first honest advice I'll be giving to new YouTubers is to be authentic. You have to be real. You have to be yourself. That is why it's good to go for a niche that you can do, that you know that you're free, that you'll be comfortable doing it. And whenever you're recording, you have to be yourself in front of a camera. Some people think whenever they set up a camera, it feels like hundreds of people are watching them, but that's a lie. A camera is just an object, so just be real. And when you're real, you're going to see people that will resonate with you. You're going to see viewers that will likely watch you. Your style is your style. That is one beautiful thing about YouTube. So be authentic. The second advice I'll be sharing with you is to set realistic expectations. I actually made a list of things that I want to say in this video, but I'll just pick the important ones to share with you guys. So setting a realistic expectation is one of the most important advice I'll be giving you in this video. Some people will say, oh, I'm going to start a YouTube channel in 1 month and I'll gain 20 subscribers and get monetized immediately. When you're starting your YouTube channel from scratch, it's very hard to achieve this dream. So set realistic expectations. You should at least maybe you can say, okay, within 6 months I'm going to get 2,000 subscribers or 3,000 subscribers within 6 months. So set realistic expectations so that you don't go insane when things don't work out the way you planned it. The third honest advice I'll be sharing with you in this video is to be consistent. I've actually talked about being consistent over and over again. Being consistent on YouTube is very important, especially if you want YouTube to take you serious, especially if you want to earn from YouTube. So be consistent. You have to create a content calendar, maybe, or if you're working, you can just pick out a time that you'll be creating videos weekly or daily. So be consistent if you want to be successful on YouTube. If you are not consistent on YouTube, it will be very hard for you to make it on this app. So please be consistent. There is this adage that says the patient dog eats the fattest bone. If you are not patient on YouTube, you're going to give up, and everything that you've built, everything that you've worked for will be in vain. So you have to be very, very patient with YouTube. You can create videos and post and get 2 views, 3 views, 4 views. You can make out time and edit videos, edit your stuff, and use beautiful thumbnails and crafts and interesting title, and you will still not get views. So all these things, it's just part of the process. All these big YouTubers you're seeing today, they started just like you. Nobody became successful on YouTube immediately they started. So just be patient on YouTube, keep on posting, be patient. Remember what I said, the patient dog eats the fattest bone. If you give up, everything that you've built, everything that you've worked for will be in vain. The next thing I'll be telling you is to analyze, adapt, and improve. You see, every failure is an opportunity to grow. When you notice that you create videos and you don't get views, try to improve that video. That is why it's important to check your YouTube studio analytics, your audience retention and all that, so that you will understand what you're doing wrong, you understand what to do, you see all those things and you will adapt and you will improve your content. So please check your YouTube studio, be checking it. In case there is something you're doing wrong, you're going to see it there and you will improve. The next advice I'll be giving you is to engage with your audience. You have to interact with your audience, interact with your community through comments or through live stream and through other social media platforms. But you can mostly interact with them on the comment section. It is very important to interact with them on the comment section. Whenever someone asks a question in the comments, please try to reply. Try as much as possible to reply each comment, because when someone clicks on your video and maybe they go through the comment section and see that the owner of the video is not replying, they would likely not comment, and you know that comment drives engagement. YouTube will likely recommend a video that drives a lot of engagement, that has a lot of comments. So try to be replying comments, because when you reply, that video will be getting more engagements. The more you're replying, the more the video will be growing, the more your channel will grow, and the more subscribers you get. So my dear viewers, the final advice I'll be giving you is YouTube is not a sprint. YouTube is a marathon. The difference between a sprint and a marathon is as clear as day. You know the difference. So you have to keep on going. You don't just create videos and just end it and be like, I've done enough, where is the money? That is not how YouTube is. You have to keep on going. And even if you're able to get monetized and all that, you will still be posting your videos, because if you stop posting videos, that monetization will be cancelled. So you have to keep on going. That is what I mean by YouTube is a marathon. It's like a career, it's like a job. The moment you stop, you're going to get fired. So just keep on going. If you have not subscribed to this point, please subscribe and please give this video a like. And also, check out this video showing on your screen right now if you're wondering what to do after you upload your videos on YouTube.